How to clean the skin around your stoma. When you don't have a pouch on, your stoma is exposed to the environment. Stomas have a pink or red color and shiny look. It's very delicate. The skin around the stoma needs to be dried and cleaned to prevent any unwanted infection. To help prevent skin irritation around the stoma, stoma bags need to fit snug and be properly adhered and adjusted to avoid leakage. Make sure the skin around the stoma is clean. The skin around the stoma is very sensitive. If stool leaks, the acids can cause the skin to irritate pretty badly, causing pain and discomfort. Cleanse the peristomal area thoroughly after every pouch change to prevent soreness and inflammation. If you notice any redness on the surrounding skin, do not wait for the irritation to spread. Any minor change you notice should be consulted with your doctor immediately rather than waiting for it to be a full-blown allergic reaction. Early notification and action will prevent further inconveniences and complications. Clean the surrounding skin. Nowadays, there are many remarkable and helpful products available to help make skin cleaning around your stoma very easy. By using simple products that are readily available to make the life of ostomates easier and more comfortable. Wash your hands before touching your stoma and the surrounding area. Remove the stoma bag. Always check the condition of your stoma and its surrounding skin when you remove the bag. Color, appearance, to detect any irritation starting to form. Begin cleansing. Using warm water and a clean soft towel can work well. But there are also great products like alcohol-free wipes that will help keep the area even cleaner. They'll also be able to remove any adhesive residue left over from the wafer skin barrier. Dry the skin thoroughly. The skin around your stoma needs to be dried in order to prevent excessive moisture, which helps the wafer to adhere properly. Besides, leaving skin wet and then attaching the skin barrier only promotes fungal growth, which is not good. If you have hair around the skin of the stoma, shave it or use warm soapy water to clean the area to ensure there aren't dirty residues hanging around. There are also excellent ostomy care products available to help hydrate while keeping the surrounding skin dry. A few examples are lubricants, lotions, sprays, and powders, which ensure a dry area for the bag to adhere to properly. Wash your hands after you finish drying. You can use a hand sanitizer or antibacterial wet wipes. Now you can put your pouch back on